Hello, my friend. This is Kiki from China. We are Dongchun Motor Company. Now I'm in the workshop. I go to show you what we are doing. Now we are testing the motor. So let's go to check it. Now you can see we are testing the motor 4 kilowatt 4 pole, 5.5 horsepower. The speed is 1,400 RPM. Now we are testing the motor, and there is the testing machine. It's 100% testing before loading. You can see how we do the testing. Now we are testing the motor is 4 kilowatt, 5.5 HP, 5.5 horsepower, 4 pole. The speed is 1,400 RPM. You can see here. Okay, now we are testing for the next one. We just wait for the machine start. You can see here we are testing the motor, and when the motor is ready testing, we make it for packing. Hello my friend, it's Mel. Nice to see you here. Thank you for watching. Now we are packing the motor. You can see here the motor is 15 horsepower 4 pole. Here, the motor is already testing. When it finished testing, here we marked OK here. And you can see here, okay, here with this close key. No, this is not the motor explode. It's the normal IEC motor. Normal IEC motor. You can see here, and here is the testing machine, the 100% motor testing before loading. Hello my friend, Nasser are remade. Nice to see you. Nice to see you all my friend. You can see now we are making testing, and here is the machine for make testing. We are testing the 4 kilowatt 4 pole. The speed is 1,400 RPM. You can see here the motor. You can see all here the motor where the terminal box is casting iron. And here is our logo. And all the motor when it pass testing, we will mark OK here. Thank you my friend. Thank you. And here we are packing the motor here. And now we can go to see how we test it. Hello, Sebedin. Nice to see you, my friend. Now you can see we are testing the motor 4 kilowatt, 5.5 horsepower, 4-pole. The speed is 1,400 RPM. You can see how we make the testing. And here you can see the machine for testing. And right here, this is the 15 horsepower 4-pole 3-phase motor. It's ready testing. You can see here. Let me check. You can see here. You can see here it's marked OK here. So now we are testing the other motor. Okay, we're testing for the next one. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so this one is already start testing for 4 kilowatt 4-pole, 5.5 horsepower. The speed is 1,400 RPM. Now we are testing the motor. Hello, my friend Muhammad Kashif Kahan. Nice to see you. Okay, let's go check for the next one. And here we're just waiting for the testing machine start. You can see here there is the testing machine. And here the motor already testing. Okay, we'll check for the machine. Here. Hello, my friend. This is Kiki from China. Thank you for watching. So just now we are checking for the motor how we do the testing. Now let's go to check for another one how it looks for the motor 15 horsepower 4-pole. Okay, you can see here when the motor after testing we marked OK here, OK. But here, if the motor is some problem, we need to recheck it, and we will mark the special paper here. So these two pieces we have to check it again to make sure all the quality the 100% pass the testing, and then we can load for the customer. You can check here. This is the 15 kilowatt 4-pole 3-phase motor, 20 horsepower. And you can see here the terminal box is casting iron. You can see the cover is very strong. And you can see here is casting iron. You see how we connect for the wire, the delta connection. And here is our logo. You can see here the terminal box is very strong. And here this cable ground is brass. The cable gland is brass, and here the ring is a good quality ring. Okay. Hello my friend, this is Kiki from China. We are electric motor for both 3-phase and also single-phase motor. Now we are working in the workshop for testing and packing the motor. So let's go to check what we are doing now. Okay, you can see here now we are testing the motor. 4 kilowatt, 4 pole, 5.5 HP. The speed is 1,400 RPM. So now we also need to check why the motor cannot start, and we will check for the machine. And also we check everything to make sure all the motor quality is good, and then we can make loading. You can see here. Here the motor testing. If there is anything we need to recheck, we will mark some paper there and check again. Here the motor is ready testing, and so we pack it. And the other which we are waiting for testing. After testing and after all the motor pass the testing, we will pack the motor for customer for loading. Okay, now you can see here we are testing the motor. 4 kilowatt, 4 pole. The speed is 1,400 RPM. 5.5 horsepower. Hello my friends, thank you for watching. So just now we are testing the motor and packing the motor. Now let's go to check another line on the assembling line and how it looks for the motor. Okay, so let's go to check here. Okay, now you can see here the motor. Inside the motor winding is 100% copper wire. You can see here the motor winding is 100% copper wire. And here is how we make the connection for the wires. Okay, my friend Kiki from China, thank you for watching. We are making both 3-phase and also single-phase motor. If you are interested, please just let me know by email or message, okay? So let's go check my name card. Okay, now you can see here is our catalog and also my name card. You can see here. My name is Kiki Liu, Dongchun is our logo. And here is our company name, titled Dongchun Motor Company Limited. We are in China. And here you also can see the cell phone number. You can add for WeChat or WhatsApp. Also welcome to send me email and with our website for more information. You also can scan this QR code to save all information in your mobile in just 1 minute. Okay. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching. This is Kiki from China. So see you next time. Bye bye.